what it is and it's not clear.
Turgor pressure means the pressure that you see in plants, mainly in the leaves, many a times even at the stem, but mainly at the leaves. Which question number are you in? Tell me the question number.
Actually, I was in 18. No, 16.
16, is it? So why do plants wilt? Is it low turgor pressure, high turgor pressure, too much water, no cell membrane? So if I
Yeah.
tell you, they have given a picture as well. So it's very easy. So turgidity, the word turgidity is built by water. When plant is healthy, it has all the water, it is, turgid. The leaves are well, the plants are there, the flowers are there. The moment you don't water it enough for maybe 3 days, 4 days, it wilts, it dries off. That is the second picture. Why did it wilt? Because the turgidity was less. And why was the turgidity less? You got the answer. Just that, depends on the time and the question, the points are being added. Okay. Now we'll just go to the questions one by one. Plants with green and tender stems are called?
Herbs.
Herbs. Correct. Some plants are very tall and have hard and thick brown stem and very good. So who did it incorrect?
Ma'am, I think so Fawaz, because both of us just said the answer.
Okay. Line on the leaves are called?
Veins.
Veins, very good.
Ma'am, I made it wrong. I gave it as midrib. Because it is also a vein, right? I thought
it is, then they will not say lines.
Okay,
right?
That's why I got one wrong. Veins.
The part of the leaf by which it is attached to the stem is called
petiole.
Petiole. Here the spelling was wrong. They wrote patiole. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think ma'am's
Yeah, which
connection.
one? No, I can hear you all.
No, ma'am, your voice goes in between a bit.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Just check if it's fine now.
Yeah, ma'am, it's fine.
Okay. So which one of the following are fibrous root? They do not have any main root. They have main root. They have one main root. They have two main roots.
They do not have any main root.
Very good. Which part of the plant supplies water to the leaf?
None of this.
Stem.
Ma'am, what are the options? Can you please tell that? Then only I could answer.
It's petal, stem, both A and B, none.
It's I gave none.
No, it supplies water, no? Roots absorb water from the soil, but stem supplies.
Yeah,
it helps in the transport. Yeah. Okay. So I'm just ending this. We will go into another quiz. I hope incorrect ones. Neha has got 15,260. 1 second. Let me just write it once more. Neha has got 15,620. I said, right?
Yeah.
12,900 is Vamika and Fawaz is 6910. Okay. But Fawaz, I must say this time you have picked up real good speed. I'm quite happy with the speed. Okay. So let's just review the incorrect questions. Which part may develop into a fruit?
Ma'am, ovary.
Yes, ovary develops into a fruit. Very good. The tip of the style that has a sticky hairs to trap pollen is known as the
Sigma.
The part of the stamen that produces pollen grains is the
anther.
Anther. Very good. The male reproductive structure of a flower is the
Stamen.
stamen. Very good. All of the following are examples of seed dispersal except
Except, can you please repeat the options? I forgot the option.
wind, volcanic eruption.
Volcanic eruption.
Correct. The part of the flower on which the pollen grains land?
Sigma.
Sigma.
Stigma. Very good. The part of the flower that produces the male reproductive cells?
Stamen.
Stamen.
The part of a flower that produces the male reproductive cells is the anther. Of course, stamen is the entire thing. See, let me just give you an explanation of this. The entire thing is known as stamen. Here, this has got a thin filament and this is the anther. This is the anther, right? This is the filament, right? And on the anther is those pollen dust. Is this clear? This is the male reproductive organ. And what about the female reproductive organ?
Pistil.
I don't know why it's getting a little bent today. So if it is like this, it is the pistil. So this is the stigma, this is the style, this is the ovary.
Ovary.
Right? And this is the female known as the carpel. This is the female reproductive organ of the plant, and there are certain sets of ovules here.
Ovules.
Yes. So when the fertilization happens, all this drop off, the petals fall off. What remains is this ovary. This ovary remains like this.
Ma'am, also the calyx remain, right?
At times, but in apple, like, you will not find the calyx.
Yeah, but in tomato and all, I took the example of tomato.
Tomato, brinjal.
Yeah, ma'am, in my house I'm having brinjal.
So there you will find the sepals or the calyx attached. So the ovary develops into a fruit and the ovules develop into a seed.
Ma'am, can we have more kisses?
Of course, you will have one more, but let me just do a review of this.
Okay, ma'am.
There's a lot of nice way to learn, isn't it? And through this
Yeah, it feels so good.
What is the function of nectar?
To attract pollinators.
Very good.
Pollinators.
Oh my God. 11, question number 11, all of you have done wrong. Pollination is the process by which?
Ma'am, we didn't know this one.
You know,
Ma'am, can you please repeat the, I think what I made wrong is I know the answer, I think so. Wait.
no, here actually the option that's been given is not rightly framed. So quite obvious all of you went wrong.
Yeah.
Basically it's a process by which the pollen grains are shifted from the stamen to the stigma.
It's to the sigma.
Yeah. What is seed dispersal?
Seed dispersal. Can I tell, ma'am?
Moving seeds to a new location.
Yeah.
That's what I wrote, but I got it wrong.
One minute. Yeah, that's the answer. Moving seeds to a new location.
Ma'am, but then why did they give it to me wrong?
But did you press some other option by mistake?
Oh, ma'am.
Oh, that's pretty unfortunate.
But that should not happen anyway, right?
Question number 15, also all of you have done wrong. Small grains that contain a plant's male reproductive cells are the?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question? I could not hear.
Small grains. No. Anther is not the grain.
Filament.
Filament is not a grain.
Pollen, right? Pollen is a grain.
Yeah, pollen. The answer is there in the question itself. But all
yeah, grain if asking itself a good answer. Actually, mine why it came wrong is I was doing first and I was actually I clicked on the wrong button. I got the correct answer.
Okay. So, what is the female part of the flower used during reproduction?
Pistil.
Correct. How many parents are needed for asexual reproduction?
One.
One. Very good. The stalk connecting the ovaries and the stigma.
Petiole.
No.
Stigma.
Stigma.
Sorry, ovary and.
Style.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
ovary
said-
and.
Oh, ma'am, sorry, I just copied Neha.
Ovary and the stigma.
Style.
The one joining the ovary and the stigma.
Style.
So
Yeah.
let's just quickly do the, recap. Wow, the first 5 questions, all of you could do it correct. Honeybees make honey from?
Nectar.
Nectar.
Yes. Mamika, you got it wrong. You wrote pollen. Fawaz also wrote pollen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read each set of terms and identify the odd set. The odd set was cow milk and butter.
Yeah, I got it right.
Yes, ma'am.
Potato is a?
Ma'am, I got this wrong. I thought it was a root, but it's actually
Potato
It is a stem. It is a stem.
stem. Because
Always
it's the stem
remember-
modification.
Always remember potato is a stem, but sweet potato is a root. Okay. The part of the
Okay.
sugar
I
cane
got
used to
confused.
make,
Ma'am,
which part of the sugar cane is used to make sugar?
the stem of the
Stem.
sugar.
Stem. Yes, Fawaz, it would be stem. What is wrongly depicted in the following? The fox eating lion.
Ma'am, that became wrong for me.
Foxy
Actually, fastly reading that time, I haven't looked at it.
Read the
That
following symptoms and identify the disease. Growth is stunted, face swells up, hair gets discolored.
Kwashiorkor.
Kwashiorkor. Very good. Kwashiorkor. Night blindness is caused due to
Vitamin A.
vitamin A.
Deficiency of vitamin A.
Mamika, you wrote vitamin C.
Ma'am, it was like I knew this, but ma'am, because of like my hand slipped.
Okay. Dash is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D.
Ma'am,
Rickets.
rickets. Yes, I didn't know this one.
Mamika and Fawaz got it wrong. Humans are
Correct.
okay. Which
I
one of
don't
the
know
following
what happened to my-
cannot be digested by us?
Roughage.
Roughage. Which one of the following is not true about balanced diet? All of
Ma'am,
these.
can you
All
say
of
all of these?
Name the nutrient which deficiency causes kwashiorkor.
Protein.
Proteins.
Yeah, Mamika, it is proteins.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the mineral whose deficiency causes goiter.
Goiter.
Iodine.
Fawaz, very good. Okay. Which one of the following food substances is the rich source of carbohydrate?
Cereal.
Cereal. Right. Fawaz, it is not oil. Oil is rich in fats.
Ma'am, mine too. When I came to click that cereal, it came on click oil.
Which one of the following mineral is an essential for developing strong bones and teeth?
Ma'am,
Calcium and phosphorus.
Yes, Fawaz, it will always be calcium and phosphorus. Okay. All right. Picture shows the leg of a man affected with rickets, which caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D.
Deficiency of vitamin D.
Right. Vamika,
Yeah.
we did it in the last questionnaire also, no?
Yeah.
Rickets is due to
Yes,
vitamin D.
ma'am. I don't know.
Certain question which all of you have got wrong is the curl-up test measures. Okay, I'm
Ma'am,
sure.
I know what.
Ma'am, even
What?
I don't know what this is.
No, the curl-up test we have not done, so I'm sure you will not be able to do it. Basically, the curl-up test is to see the muscular tenacity, right? The muscular strength or the muscular endurance. That's one question which all of you have done wrong. And there's this one more question which I see. Okay, the percentage of body weight that is made up of fat when compared to your other tissues, such as bones and muscles. What are they known as?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question?
Ma'am, is it
Body composition, correct.
Body composition.
For example, you can just take out a person and there's a machine which would measure and say that certain body has 28 kgs of fat, right? 10 kgs of carbohydrates, 15 kg of protein. So all put together, the person's weight is 70 kg. So it can do a breakup of the body composition.